Engine runs and is pretty dry, but I'd advise a good service and going through because it's been stood since 2018. There's the power steering, which I'm told is a rare option on these. As you can see, the bottom of the engine's pretty dry. There's no mega oil leaks. The exhaust has got no holes, but it has a bit of rust. The whole underneath surface rusty, like the arms, but they're all pretty solid. The back plate's pretty solid. Brakes probably need adjusting and a bit of work. The main frame is really solid. Some of the brake pipe ferrules are a little bit rusty, so they may need replacing. I'd recommend, if it's put back on the road, to go through the brakes. The fuel tank is empty. It may be okay, but they're pretty cheap. I'd probably replace it, and all the fuel lines as well. As you can see, the inner seals are pretty solid. There's no rust there. See that? It's pretty solid. A little bit of flake in there, but no holes. It has had a patch there. A bit flaky, still pretty solid. All the brakes work in turn. I've driven it. All under the arch is pretty solid. Just surface rust. You could do a wax oiling or something. As you can see, it has captain's chairs in very good condition, and they're both swivels. This van's got power steering, which is a rare option, and obviously it's a 5-speed gearbox. It has this makeshift unit here with a cooker and a fridge in it. As you can see, the sink.